When the dollar loses purchasing power, it can feel like your savings are slipping away. But what if some assets actually grow stronger when the dollar weakens? The dollar hasn't always been what it is today. For much of US history, our currency was backed by physical gold, known as the gold standard. But when that standard was abandoned, the dollar became fiat, meaning it could be printed in unlimited amounts. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains how this shift led to inflation and a steady erosion of the dollar's purchasing power. Unlike paper money, gold and silver can be created out of thin air, and that scarcity has helped them hold and even increase their value as the dollar declined. This helps investors see why precious metals act as a counterbalance. When confidence in currency falls, demand for tangible assets like gold and silver often rises. I've linked this guide in the description so you can see the full breakdown yourself. This is one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like Silver Scheme Report and Setup and Pricing information, giving you the context you need to understand metals in today's economy. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free to explore how gold and silver have historically moved opposite the dollar and how that insight can help protect your savings. The free download is waiting for you in the description box.